This incredible mixture not only kills bacteria, it also promotes natural immune defenses. With only a few short instructions, you can mix up this powerful natural medicine. With ingredients like natural honey, apple cider vinegar, lemon rind, turmeric, and black pepper, which you may have lying around already, this recipe is the perfect go-to solution for when a cold is brewing. Using natural products versus the store-bought ones is so important because of the quality. They work so well with your body's immune system. Why would you want to put metals, chemicals, and God knows what other crap into your body that will most likely cause problems later on in life? Making golden honey, you will need the following ingredients. 3.5 ounces of honey. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. 1 tsp of black pepper. 1 tsp of apple cider vinegar. 2 strips of lemon rind. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together and store in an airtight container. One of the best means of storage is a small mason jar. When to use golden honey. Golden honey should be taken at the first sign of a cold or flu symptom. This mixture is designed to boost immunity and fight off things like inflammation in the body. There is not a single ingredient in this mix that can do you harm, so you can take this a few times a day. 1 teaspoon at a time should do you just fine. If you find that this works, you can always up the dosage and multiply the recipe to get more out of your batch. Maybe a half-gallon mason jar is something that you want to have on hand. You can do a lot of treating if you have that kind of quantity. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.